HCIP-Security-CISN version 3.0 H12721 v3.0 Real exam questions are useful for you to pass. 1. There are two reliable transmission modes and fast transmission modes for establishing an SSL VPN tunnel by the network extension function. Which of the following describes the error in these two ways? A. In the reliable transmission mode, SSL VPN uses the SSL protocol to encapsulate packets and uses the TCP protocol as the transmission protocol. B. In the fast transmission mode, the SSL VPN uses the quick UDP Internet Connections protocol to encapsulate the packets, and uses the UDP protocol as the transmission protocol. C. In reliable transmission mode, the remote user needs to establish an SSL VPN tunnel with the virtual gateway before transmitting data. D. In the fast transmission mode, the remote user does not need to establish an SSL VPN tunnel with the virtual gateway before transmitting data. 2. In the networking of the headquarters branch IPsec VPN network, when the headquarters is configured, when the headquarters adopts the IPsec policy template, which of the following configurations are required? Multiple choices. A. IPsec policy template name sect number. B. Proposal name. Circa policy enable. D. IPsec policy name sec number isakmp template name. 3. Which of the following packets can be used for health check in server load balancing? Multiple choice. A. ICMP packets. B. UDP packets. C. TCP packets. D. DNS packets. 4. In the main mode negotiation process of the first phase of ICV v1, which of the following is the role of Message5 and Message6? A. Run the DH algorithm. B. Negotiating proposal sets. Circa mutual identity authentication. D. Negotiate IPsec SA. 5. Huawei UMA products can be deployed in a logical series connection. Which of the following statements is false about this deployment method? A. Logical mode. Person to slave account to authorization to master account to target system. B. The main account is the UMA account, which corresponds to the operation and maintenance personnel one by one. C. The slave account is the target system account, and there is no need to correspond with the personnel one by one, and ordinary operation and maintenance personnel may not perceive it. D. The user does not need to install the client on the terminal to log into UMA via the web, and does not change the original operating habits. 6. Which of the following options are characteristics of virtual systems? Multiple choice. A. Management independence. B. Table entry independence. Circa resource independence. D. Traffic isolation. 7. Which of the following scenarios can Huawei SVN products be used in? Multiple choice. A. Terminal to network scenario, SSL VPN. B. Terminal to network scenario, L2TP over IPsec. Circa network to network scenario, IPsec VPN. D. Terminal to network scenario, GRE over IPsec. 8. In the dual system hot backup environment, if there is an inconsistent data packet path back and forth, Which of the following conditions will not cause packet loss? A. Session quick sync is not enabled. B. Insufficient bandwidth of heartbeat line. Circa turn off the status monitoring function. D. Specifying the wrong heartbeat port. 9. The relationship between virtual systems and VPN instances. Which of the following options is wrong? A. When creating a virtual system, a VPN instance with the same name will be automatically generated. B. The bottom layer forwarding of the proposed system relies on the automatically generated VPN instance, and the upper layer configuration service does not need to be linked with the VPN instance. C. The automatically generated VPN instance is the same as the manually configured VPN instance, and the VPN instance needs to be bound to the interface. D. The administrator can also use the IPVPN instance command to manually create a VPN instance for root isolation. 10. Which of the following technologies does Huawei WAF5000 use to deal with special web attacks such as hotlinking and cross-site request forgery? A. Signature matching technology. B. Behavioral state chain detection technology. Circa illegal link filtering technology. D. Abnormal state tracking technology.